Learn how to change the PHP version on your domain using cPanel. Sometimes, different software require different versions of PHP, then we need to switch the PHP version using cPanel. Let's see how we can do it. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Software section and click on the icon of the Multi-PHP Manager. Here we can set the PHP version for the particular domain. There is a box before the name of the domain we want to change the PHP version for. Click to check the box. Now go and select the PHP version we need from the drop-down list. Now click on the Apply button. That's it, we have successfully changed the version of PHP. Now you can see the PHP version of the selected domain has been changed. Thank you for watching.